I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on a gym kind of workout vlog situation. I just woke up this morning, did some work. I just finished editing, should be the video before this, my relaxer opinionated video, so be sure to check that out after this one. Yesterday when I was jump roping, my ponytail kept flying and hitting me in the face. So I was like, alright, well, that's not going to be the style for jump roping. So I might jump rope today, so I think I'm just going to wear my hair down. This is just the As I Am Restore and Repair water. If you caught my YouTube short, this is my basically go-to hair routine. And my Target finally has the As I Am Dry Itchy Scalp Care Oil. My go-to oil when I have, well, this is my go-to oil whenever, but especially when I have a protective style in. Alright, I'm just gonna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast and show you guys what I eat before I go to the gym. See you soon. Just saw me do some stretches and some foam rolling. I just feel super tight, and today is a hamstring and glute day, and I do not want to like feel tight when I get to the gym. And for some reason when I get there I get like really anxious and just want to get it over with, so I sometimes don't do the best warm-up. Usually when I do lower body, legs in general, I try to eat a carb heavy breakfast, of course with protein and all that, just something to really get me feeling full. If you are starting your fitness journey, the number one thing I can say to you is do not go to the gym hungry with an empty stomach for leg day. I know there's like a fasting thing that people do, but if you can move your window of fasting or move your workouts, at least for lower body, I say eat. Have something on your stomach, because feeling lightheaded and like you're about to faint when trying to do a leg press, it's just not it. For breakfast, I usually like to have oatmeal as my carb, and then some kind of eggs and another kind of protein. I'm kind of over oatmeal though. I had it yesterday and the day before, so I want to switch it up a little bit. So we're gonna cook some chicken sausage. I'm just gonna cook the rest of these, and then I have some eggs, so I'll do 2 eggs. I might boil these, or I might scramble them. I'm really liking boiled eggs lately. I've been eating those a lot. And then for a carb, I was debating between toast or hash browns. We have hash browns from Trader Joe's. I'll probably do either 1 or 2 of these. I'm leaning towards 1. I have an avocado that I don't know if it's ripe yet, but we're gonna cut into it because it's been sitting for a while, so I'm gonna cut into it. I never know with these things. But anyway, so that's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna shove it all up. We got the eggs, the hash browns, the avocado with everything but the bagel seasoning, and some chicken sausage and just some orange juice. So paper plate gang, we're not doing dishes. This is really filling actually, so for me, so this will definitely help fuel my leg day. So here's my little pre-workout meal. The itis has hit and the rain is not helping. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all, like, how can I show you this? It's so small but so much. Like, I hate when it rains like that. It's like that spit rain. All right, we're gonna go. We're going. All right, luckily I already pulled out my clothes, so we're gonna put on the Lisi Fit Aqua. I forgot what this print's called, but it's the first print I ever got from Lisi Fit. I'm sure you've seen it on me a million times, especially if you follow me on TikTok. I got this in a size, I think I got it in an extra large, which I actually fit a large. But this is super roomy, especially because it's Shark Week for me, as they say. So I'm gonna wear these. Kind of goes with my bra, right? And then I got this white top in case I want to be a little more covered up because below. But now that it's raining, I'm gonna need like another jacket on top of all of this. All right, next clip, you're gonna see me in the car. We're going to the car. We're going. Can you see me? This is not normal rain. And it lasts till 3. Another tip I have, I don't know what this video is entailing, but apparently I have tips today. Another tip I have if you're starting a fitness journey is to leave your gym stuff in the car. So when I say that, I leave my pre-workout in the car, so it's always with me. My entire gym bag is here. And a whole bunch of stuff's in my gym bag. If you guys want to see what's in my gym bag, maybe I'll make a TikTok or something, but my entire gym bag is in here. A couple different pairs of shoes are in here. I have cardio shoes and I have lifting shoes. Pre-workout snack is in here, which I probably won't eat today because my stomach is full. Like, that was too much food. But that's usually just a Rice Krispie. And if you're wondering why a Rice Krispie, it's because it's quick carb, quick sugar. Keeps you full, keeps you going. But I always forget a towel. I'll never remember a towel. These are just things that I've learned over the years that have helped me stay in the gym. Like, I don't like lugging things back and forth, so if it's already in my car, there's really no excuse, right? We're back. From the gym. I'm so tired. I try to record as best as I can, but y'all, I don't usually film horizontal. I usually film vertically. So it was hard to like catch my legs and the movements and things like that, but I tried my best. So now I'm about to show you guys my current favorite protein shake, and it's a matcha protein shake. I just put together matcha and protein, and I was like, this is good. So I'm about to make that right now and show you guys what I put in it. What you need is your protein. I'm tired. So what you need is your protein of choice, and whatever supplements. I add a scoop of creatine. This is a topic for another day. Matcha I use is the matcha from Trader Joe's. I'm thinking of getting a different type of matcha, but for now I'm gonna finish this. This is pretty good, pretty simple. It does stain, so don't get it on anything. This is what it looks like. You can find this in the drinks, teas aisle. I can't remember. Medigalia Doro. It's just some espresso that I like to take. I sprinkle some of this in there along with some sugar-free vanilla syrup. So it's really getting like a matcha taste. Liquid I'm using to mix all of this up is just simple almond milk. And because matcha can be so tricky, I like to actually mix the matcha in first. Because if y'all know, matcha does not mix very well. And I don't have one of those fancy wooden matcha mixers. I think I'm gonna drink it in my Starbucks cup. Oh, never mind. My Starbucks cup is dirty. I cleaned out my Starbucks cup. Ugh, but then I just realized y'all won't be able to see. I'm still gonna put it in here. I'll take a picture of what the matcha protein looks like in a clear container for like a thumbnail or something, but for now, we're gonna do what works for me, okay? Content revolves around me. I don't revolve around content. So I'm just gonna put it in a plastic cup. Okay. So we have the matcha in here. I'm gonna add hot water. While that water is getting hot, I'm gonna add my protein. I use the Orgain plant protein. I'm running out, sad story. So we gotta get pre-workout and plant protein. I'm about to be hurt. And we're gonna add some milk and kind of make the protein smoothie separately. You wanna add like about a cup. I'm eyeballing. Get a spoon. All right, added some hot water in my matcha. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, so now it's like a liquid. Y'all, I ain't gonna make a mess. It's a green liquid. So I'm gonna pour it in to my protein. Boom. Delicious. Now we're gonna add some of the espresso coffee. I don't put a lot of this because it's espresso. We're gonna be jumping off the wall and it's currently like 3 or 4 in the afternoon. So we don't need that. We're just gonna put a smidge. It's not coming out. Okay. Smidge. I keep trying to tell people to take smidges of this and then they don't, and then they're bouncing off the walls. This is the creatine I'm using. This came as a recommendation from my boyfriend. This is the Optimum Nutrition brand. He just has it and he offered to like share with me, so I just take this. It hasn't been a week yet, so I can't speak on creatine yet, but I don't know if it's a placebo or not, but I have been lifting stronger. It does make me feel a little weird, but we'll keep you guys posted on this. Now we're gonna add a few drops of this sugar-free vanilla syrup. You do not need a lot because it's, I don't know, for whatever reason, it is really strong. Then we're gonna keep mixing until it becomes this beautiful green color. You add in like the little protein mixer things that come in those protein cups. It's usually like a spiral ball, but this one is a spinner. Not the greatest, but that's it. I think we added everything. We have creatine, protein, and if I did, no, actually no, this is all for my matcha. And we have it in my little cup, and it's green. I mean, if you guys really want to see what it looks like, see that just green liquid in my Starbucks cup. And side note, while we're here, I don't understand the hype of these Starbucks cups. I got this one for free because I have the points. I mean, it's cute, but that's it. It's not better than my thermos. A little bit more vanilla syrup. Yeah. I love matcha. Like, one thing the influencer girlies are gonna do is get me to drink matcha. And I have the tendency to be really tired after the gym, so this is a really good pick-me-up.